Welcome to English with Umme, where learning English becomes an inspiring journey. Today, I'm going to share with you a powerful story, a story of courage, of a young boy from a small village who had nothing but a broken grammar book and a big dream to speak English fluently. Through his journey, you'll not only improve your English grammar and vocabulary, but also discover motivation, discipline, and the real meaning of never giving up. So grab your notebook, sit back, and let this story change the way you learn English, and maybe even the way you live your life. In a quiet, dusty village in India, where most people lived simple lives and education was a luxury, there was a boy named Ibrahim. He was 12, curious, and had a dream far bigger than his small surroundings. He wanted to speak English fluently. His father was a farmer, his mother a housewife. English was never spoken in his home. In fact, most people laughed when he said he wanted to learn it. "You? Learn English? Go chase chickens instead," they mocked. But Ibrahim wasn't like the others. Moral: don't let people's laughter stop your dreams. One day, he found a torn grammar book in the trash near his school. No cover, no title, just random pages with tenses and examples. But to Ibrahim, it was a treasure. Every day after helping his father in the fields, he would sit under a neem tree, reading the book again and again. He didn't understand many words, but he kept repeating them. Vocabulary he learned: present simple, I go to school; past simple, I went to school; future simple, I will go to school. He would speak to himself loudly: I am a boy, I have a pen, I like apples, I will go to college. His grammar was not perfect, but his confidence was perfect. Lesson: start small. Consistency is more powerful than perfection. At school, some students would tease him. "Oh, Mr. English, how are you today?" they'd say with fake accents. But Ibrahim smiled. He knew they weren't really mocking him. They were scared of someone trying to rise. His teacher, Mr. Khalid, noticed his efforts. One day, the teacher gave him a dictionary. "Ibrahim, this book is your new world. Every day, learn 5 new words." From that day, he began his vocabulary journey. Words like persistence, never giving up courage, being brave, determination, strong decision, compassion, kindness, gratitude, thankfulness. He would write 1 sentence with each word daily. I show gratitude to my teacher. My persistence is my power. Moral: a kind mentor can change your direction. One evening, while adjusting an old radio, he found a British English podcast. The voice said, "You can learn English, no matter who you are." He was hooked. Every evening he'd listen to it. He repeated the phrases like a parrot. Phrases like, "How do you do?" "Nice to meet you." "Could you please help me?" Practice makes perfect. He even started copying the accent. His English was improving, but so was his belief in himself. One day, a speech competition was announced. Give a 3-minute speech in English. Everyone laughed when Ibrahim registered. He practiced in front of a mirror for 1 whole week. Every mistake was a lesson, not a failure. The day came. He stood on stage. His heart was racing, his hands were shaking. But he remembered one sentence. Courage doesn't mean no fear. It means doing it despite the fear. He began, "Good morning, respected teachers and dear fellows. My name is Ibrahim. I belong to a small village. But my dreams are not small. I want to become a teacher and help others learn English." He spoke for 4 minutes. No script, no help. The hall was silent. And then, applause. He won second prize. His confidence soared. People who mocked him now respected him. Lesson: face your fears. They make you stronger. With every new word, Ibrahim wasn't just learning a language. He was becoming a new person. He learned humility, not showing off empathy, understanding others' pain, hard work, no success without effort, discipline, regular study vision, seeing the bigger picture. He started helping other children in his village learn basic English. He became a mentor, just like Mr. Khalid. Soon, his small room turned into a learning center. Children brought slates, chalk, old books, and dreams. Years passed. Ibrahim applied for a scholarship. He wrote a letter in English. "Dear Sir, I come from a humble background, but I have big dreams. Please consider me for this opportunity." He was selected for an English course in Lahore. He went, he learned, he taught. Today, Ibrahim is an English teacher. He runs a YouTube channel helping students improve grammar, vocabulary, and confidence. His story is proof. Your background doesn't define your future. Your effort does. Dear viewer, like Ibrahim, you can learn English. You don't need expensive classes. You need a willing heart, a daily habit, and a belief in yourself. Start today. Learn 5 words. Practice 10 sentences. Speak without fear. Mistakes are good. They show you're trying.